Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the Character Strengths Assessment. What is a Character Strengths Assessment? A Character Strengths Assessment aims to uncover and evaluate an individual's positive qualities, virtues, and character traits. It provides a systematic way to identify and measure the strengths that define who we are as individuals, which is important for those who may suffer from self-esteem concerns. It promotes positive well-being and centres on the individual rather than the mental disorder at large. The assessment process typically involves a series of questions or statements that prompt self-reflection and introspection. These questions explore virtues such as courage, wisdom, kindness, perseverance, creativity, gratitude, and many others. Participants are encouraged to assess their preferences to gain insights into their dominant character strengths. This allows individuals to receive a profile outlining their top characteristics, which can serve as a roadmap for personal growth and development. Knowing this can enhance their self-awareness, improve relationships, and allow for easier navigation when it comes to challenges. In education, they can inform teaching strategies and help students discover their strengths, leading to improved engagement and academic performance. In career development, they can guide individuals towards professions that align with their strengths, resulting in greater job satisfaction and productivity. And of course, they can be also used within counselling and therapy contexts. As a result, anyone can use a character strengths assessment to learn more about themselves. How to use a character strengths assessment. The first step is to fill out the information at the top and then read the instructions. You'll then need to rate all statements accordingly. Finally, evaluate the statements and incorporate the strengths within your daily applications. To view a sample assessment of the Character Strengths Assessment, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the assessment for free. You can also access the assessment through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords to find the note, and from there you can also edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.